Mouse, his pet dog Pluto, and his friend Minnie Mouse are popular American cartoon characters. Goofy is Mickey's friend too. Donald and Daisy are funny dogs. Donald loves Daisy. Popeye is a sailor. Scooby-Doo and his owner Shaggy like eating snacks. Lilo and Stitch are friends. Timon and Pumbaa are friends too. Tom the cat and Jerry the mouse are not friends. Tom wants to catch Jerry and eat him up. Winnie the Pooh is a fat bear. He loves honey. Shrek and Fiona are big green monsters. They are nice. Russian children like watching cartoons. Let's see their cartoon favorites. This is Masha. She likes Cheburashka because he is nice. This is Alex. His favorite cartoon character are the wolf and the hare. The wolf wants to eat the hare up. Masha and the bear are Alina's favorite characters. Alina's favorite character is Neznayka. He likes wearing a blue hat. Fixiki are funny little people. They fix different things at homes and help people. Dima likes them. Now you know more about American and Russian cartoon characters.